In today's video, I'll show you how you can motion track your subject or object in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into the Fusion tab right here, and then you would now be able to see the video right here, and then you just need to press Control plus the space button on your keyboard, and then you'd be able to open up the select tool, and then you would need to search for planar tracker. So click here and click on add. And if it's not automatically connected, you would need to manually do it. So just go and connect at the end of media in 1, and then the beginning of planar tracker to media out 1, just like that. And oops, this should be connected right there. And then once you're done, is that you want to go click here on planar tracker, go into the controls or inspector tab right here on the right side, and then go into tracker. Make sure to select hybrid point or area, and then go into the motion type, and then go into translation. Once you're done, you want to now mask out your subject just like that, just a rough mask right there. And there it is. And now once you are done, is that you want to make sure that your play is at the beginning, okay? And then click here on this button right here to track the frames forward. And now I'm going to click on that, and it will now start tracking the subject. So we just need to wait for it to finish tracking it, as you can see, and the mask is following our subject. So that's how we would be able to do this. And right there, it is now done. And then the next thing that you'd want to do now is to select here on operation mode, set it into stabilize. And then from here, you would now be able to see the compute stabilization right here. You want to click on that, and then you want to make sure that it's done. And then let's play it right here and see if we now have the track right there. And as you can see, it is now being tracked, but it's not yet smooth because it's not yet rendered. But yeah, basically you could also see the edges right here, and what you need to do in that is that you just basically want to go here into the edit tab again and just zoom in so that you'd be able to mitigate that black bars right here. So as you can see, there's still some black bars there, so I would need to zoom in a bit, just like that. And now when I go back in here, as you can see, this subject is now motion tracked. And that's it on how you'd be able to do this on DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.